Hey everyone, it's Ariel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna do a straight hair back to curly hair video. This is what my hair looks like right now. Clearly it is a hot mess. It needs to be washed. So I thought it would be fun to just do a video showing you guys how it looks right after I wash it, after it's been straightened for a while. So yeah, I'm just going to shampoo it, condition it, maybe deep condition it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that today, but definitely shampoo and condition for sure. I'm also going to be using some new products today. I just bought a couple new curly hair products, so I'm going to be using those today. But I will shampoo and condition my hair, and then I will come back and kind of style it for you guys on camera, and I'll show you which new products I'm using. So yeah, let's get this mess washed. Okay, I'm back. I just shampooed and conditioned my hair, and I of course have it in a cotton t-shirt. Take this out. See what we're working with here. Okay, I haven't done like a wash and go for a while. I kind of forget what to do. First, I'm going to section just above my ear. And then I'm just using my bobble here just to tie the rest of this away. And then I'm gonna take my spray bottle, just filled with water. I'm just gonna spritz this down. Okay, and actually before I go any further, I did want to show you guys what I shampooed and conditioned with, because I got both a new shampoo and conditioner. So this is what I used to shampoo. This is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. Usually they are totally sold out of this whenever I go and look for hair products, so I was pretty happy when I saw it there. It was the last bottle too. I recently bought the treatment from this same line, and so far been really liking it. It's been working well for my hair. So since this was the last bottle, I decided I would snatch it up. So I used that today. I also got a new conditioner. So this is the conditioner I got. This is by a brand called Ren Pure, and this is the coconut and vitamin E conditioner. Has zero gluten, dyes, propylene glycol, sulfates, and parabens, phthalates, and formaldehyde. So it's supposed to be kind of like a mostly natural product. It even says right on the top here, plant-based beauty. So it's good. I did decide to leave just a little tiny bit in my hair, just to give my hair a little extra moisture since I did just straighten it. But yeah, those are my shampoo and conditioners. So I'm just gonna spritz it a bit more. And this is another new product I got. This is the Garnier Fructis Style Curl Treat Smoothie. I just got this at my local drugstore, and I thought it looked like it might be a good one. I've been needing a new styling cream, so I decided to pick this one up. It smells pretty good. It kind of has like a coconutty smell, I guess. Avocado maybe. It smells nice. This is another natural-ish one. It says 98% naturally derived ingredients. So that's good. It's super creamy, wow. I don't know if you can see on here. Super creamy. I think it's gonna be nice. I'll just use about that much, because this is a pretty small section of hair. It feels so nice. It's like silky almost. I like it. Yeah, like look, it has a really nice slip to it. I have barely been wearing my hair curly lately. Honestly, I've barely even been wearing my hair down for the past while, I'll be honest. I have to wear it up at work, and so it's just a lot easier when I wash my hair to just put it straight up, which is not good. So I'm trying to get into the habit of styling my hair more, trying to do better. So far this feels really nice in my hair. Now that I've got a good even amount in there, I'm gonna take my Denman brush. Is this the 7 or the 9 row? This is the 7 row Denman brush. So I'm just gonna take this and brush it through. I'm gonna do a little bit of finger coiling too. Just because. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to next section. There. so creamy, you guys. Look at this. Changing my technique. I'm just gonna go to scrunching. The Denman brush makes my curls super defined, but then it makes it shrink up so much. So I don't know, I'm kind of not into it. So I'm just going to rake the rest of this in and then just kind of scrunch it. Wherever there's any pieces that are kind of not curling as nicely, I'm just gonna finger coil those ones. I feel like this is gonna shrink up so much. We'll see. I'll give it a chance. I also never know how to do my bangs anymore because I don't know. I feel like they should go straight down, but then they never dry nicely like that. Curls are such a struggle, honestly. Like, I've had curly hair my whole life and I feel like I'm still learning something new about it every single day. Do any of you have curly hair? I'd love to know if you have curly hair and how you like to style it. Do you do wash and goes, or do you wear it straight a lot? Leave a comment. Okay, I have like this dark middle part. I don't know why. I didn't even have my hair parted in the middle. I guess that's what it wants to do. And I'm gonna take my Denman brush for this top section. I also definitely still have some damage in the front of my hair. Like, as you can probably see, it's kind of like thick and like bulky right up till here, and then it's just like super sparse on the ends. It's just from the bleach from last year. Density is still kind of coming back in, so always interesting to see how it dries. Okay, and then the last product I got is this. It's also Garnier Fructis style. It's the Pure Clean Styling Gel. I don't usually use gel, like never actually, but I've been wanting to try it because I've just never done it and I feel like I have to give it a try to see if it works for my curly hair. So that's what we're doing. I'm not doing too much. I probably did like a nickel size and then just rubbing it in my hands. Kind of smells nice. And just like scrunch it, I guess. I should have probably put that in before I did the Denman brush and the finger coiling, but it's okay. It's too late now. I'm not gonna diffuse or anything because I don't usually do that. I'm just gonna let it air dry and I will come back once it's dry to show you guys how it turned out. Hey guys, I'm back. So it's been a couple hours now and my hair is not fully dry, but it's pretty close. Feels like it has a pretty good cast to it. So now I'm just going to break it up. So I have these two oils here, argan oil and jojoba oil. I'm just gonna do a pump or two of each and then use that to break up the cast. I think some of the products I used might have been a little bit too heavy on my hair, but it does feel very moisturized, so it's a good thing. I might have used too much of the styling cream, so just have to remember that for next time. I'm just gonna kind of go through and break up any curls that are a little bit too clumped together. Not really sure about these bangs. I feel like I need to maybe like shape them a little bit more because they're kind of all staggered and look a little bit funny, but I think it turned out pretty good. Like I said, it does feel a little bit weighed down by some of those products, but I think I probably just used too much, so that's my own fault. So this is how my hair looks the first time I wash it after it's been straightened. There's no visible damage at all. Curls come right back, so yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!